I'm going to show you in this video how you could use just the Tonex One and access multiple presets and play an entire show. Guitar players like Stevie Ray Vaughan and Zakk Wylde use just one overdrive pedal to kick into their lead sound. So basically they have a rhythm and a lead sound. So 4 different sounds should easily get you through a show. I'm going to show you how to set that up so you can quickly change to different presets and know what they are. So go ahead and connect your pedal via USB and open the software. If you don't know how to do this yet, click the link above. Click on the Library tab, and on the left panel you can see all the presets that are in the pedal. You can left click and drag and swap out their positions. As you can see, I have a Friedman in slot 1 and 2 and a Marshall in 3 and 4. So slot 1 and 2 is a Friedman set up for rhythm and lead, and the same thing with 3 and 4 with a Marshall. And I named them accordingly. I edited the Marshall lead sound to have more volume, more overdrive, and more delay. Then I clicked back to Library and dragged and dropped them into a folder. Click on the preset panel and click on Add New Folder. Name it whatever you like. And here you can see I dragged all 4 of those presets into this folder. As you can see here, I've already selected the colors for each preset. Now you can add this to your set list like in this example. Or you can make a list that matches the colors to the presets. In order to access the presets, just click on Alt and the foot switch at the same time, select A, click on the foot switch again, and then select for B. Then click on Alt and the foot switch again, and you're ready to go. So again, hit the foot switch and Alt at the same time. Switch A to yellow, which will be your Marshall. Then hit the foot switch and then change B to the Marshall lead sound. So here are the settings of the presets you just heard. You can find the amp profiles at tone.net. Well, I hope this helps somebody out. Please like and subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments. Also, just put down where you're listening from in the comments. I find that to be interesting. Hope you have a great day. Take care.